Okay, guys. So I know there were a lot of questions on how to do these two-step equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an example. And this example is 8x minus 12 equals 52. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by building our wall. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is we have to build the wall right down the middle. And we want to always do it around the equal sign so that we know where the middle of our problem is. The next thing we want to do is we want to look to see, can we combine any like terms on both sides? So when I look on the left-hand side over here, I don't see anything because we have 8x and we have a negative 12, and those cannot combine because the 8x has a variable and the negative 12 does not. And on the right-hand side, we just have 52, so it's already by itself. The next step then is to go ahead and follow SADMAP. And what SADMAP tells me to do is to take care of any subtraction or addition first. So if you remember, this negative 12 is a minus 12, so we want to do the opposite. So the opposite of minus 12 is to add 12. So I'm going to add 12 on the left-hand side. Sorry about the writing. I'm trying to use a stylus here. And on the right-hand side, we have to do the same thing because our law of equality tells me that whatever I do to one side of my equation, I must do to the other. Okay, so my writing looks like I'm on the active board again. So when I do this, the negative 12 plus 12 cancels out to a 0 and they're gone. The only thing I'm left with then is an 8x on the left-hand side. And that's going to equal 52 minus, I'm sorry, 52 plus 12, which is going to be 64. And I think most of you are already saying right now, you know what to do next. We're going to divide by 8. And the reason we're dividing by 8 is because we were multiplying by 8 in the problem. So we divide by 8 on the left side. 8x divided by 8 is just going to be x, and that is going to equal 64 divided by 8. And 64 divided by 8 is, you guessed it, 8. So hopefully that helps you guys out with a little bit of a review. Again, this is going to be embedded into our presentation for you. If you have any questions, feel free, reach out through a message to me, guys, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. All right.